Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, there has to be a better way? Maybe you're tired of those pesky fees, the clunky app, or the lack of innovation. Well, you're not alone. A lot of people are turning to fintech companies for a fresh approach to banking. One such company that's been making waves is Koho. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what Koho actually is. It's a Canadian fintech company that offers a prepaid Visa card, a mobile app, and a range of financial tools. The core idea is to help people manage their money better, save more, and spend smarter. Sounds great, right? But let's break it down. First up, the Koho prepaid Visa card. It's essentially a reloadable card that you can use for purchases both online and in-store. No credit check, no minimum balance, no problem. It's a simple concept, but it's the features that set it apart. You can earn cash back on purchases, round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference, and even get fee-free international transactions. That's a pretty sweet deal, especially for those who travel frequently. But a card is just a card, right? It's the app that really brings the magic. The Koho app is where you manage your money, track your spending, and set financial goals. It's user-friendly, with a clean interface. You can easily see where your money is going, which is a game changer for many people. Plus, there are features like automatic savings and budgeting tools to help you stay on top of your finances. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, fees. Koho does offer a free plan, but to access all the bells and whistles, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The pricing structure can seem a bit complex, so it's important to weigh the costs against the benefits. Are the extra features worth the monthly fee? That's a question only you can answer. But wait, there's more. Koho has been expanding its offerings beyond the prepaid card. They've introduced savings accounts, investments, and even a mortgage product. It's clear that they're aiming to become a one-stop shop for your financial needs. While this is ambitious, it's also risky. Expanding too quickly can sometimes lead to issues. So, it's essential to keep an eye on how these new products perform. So, is Koho a good company? Well, it depends. If you're looking for a simple, fee-free way to manage your money and earn some cash back, the free Koho plan might be a good option. However, if you want to take full advantage of the app's features and have some extra cash to spare, the paid plans might be worth considering. It's important to remember that Koho is still a relatively new company. While they've made significant strides, there's always room for improvement. Keep an eye on customer reviews, updates from the company, and any new features or products they introduce. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Koho is right for you is to give it a try. Sign up for the free plan, explore the app, and see if it fits your financial lifestyle. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.